Want to snag some bucks in Fortnite, but only have an Apple gift card burning a hole in your digital pocket? We're diving into if and how that's even possible. First things first, let's tackle the direct approach. Unfortunately, you can't directly redeem an Apple gift card inside of Fortnite to get bucks. Epic Games made changes, and you'll notice Apple gift cards aren't listed as a payment option when buying bucks directly within the game on iOS. Okay, Plan B, redeem your Apple gift card to your Apple account balance in the App Store. To do this, tap on your profile icon in the top right-hand corner, then select Redeem Gift Card or Code, and follow the prompts. Then, explore workarounds. Head to the Epic Games website in a web browser. Sometimes they have promotions or alternative ways to purchase bucks that might allow you to use your Apple account balance. Keep an eye out for special deals or promotions. Gaming blogs and Fortnite news sites often share tips on how to maximize your bucks purchases, which could indirectly help you leverage that Apple gift card. So, while it might take a little more effort than a direct redemption, with a bit of creativity and some savvy deal hunting, you can transform that Apple gift card into sweet bucks. Good luck and happy gaming!